Are you a Big Tractor fan? Would you like to visit one of the farms that Big Tractor Power films at each year? The Wathen family would like to invite you to their annual farm day, which will be held in Evansville, Indiana on Sunday, August 12th, 2018. The Wathen family will be featuring their collection of 50 articulated four-wheel drive tractors. If you're a fan of Steiger four-wheel drives, there will literally be 50 years of Steiger history on display. In addition to a total of 100 tractors on exhibit, cars, trucks, and family fun events. This Big Tractor Power video will give you all the details on the farm day and a rundown of all the events that will take place. All Big Tractor Power YouTube fans are invited to the Wathen Family Farm Day. Here are your invitation details. The farm day will be held on Sunday, August 12, 2018. The event will take place starting at noon and run throughout the day. The farm is located at 3101 South Green River Road in Evansville, Indiana. The farm is right at the exit of Green River Road on Interstate 69. There is no admission or charge to attend the event. It's completely free, and food will be served starting at noon until it runs out. And trust me, this is good food, so you'll want to get there early. In addition to all the tractors and equipment on display, there will be all sorts of events to take part in, and I'll give you a rundown of what you can see and do at the Wathen Family Farm Day. The main event of the Wathen Farm Day is the collection of 50 articulated four-wheel drive tractors that will be on display. If you're a fan of four-wheel drive tractors and big tractors, this is the farm to visit. There are some of the earliest Steigers that were hand-built by the Steiger brothers in their family dairy barn. There are many variations of Wagner four-wheel drives, which were the pioneer of the articulated tractor industry back in the 1940s and 50s. There will be Allis-Chalmers, International Harvester, Oliver, Jackson, Big Bud, and many other tractors to see. In addition to the big tractors, there's also some big construction machines to see at the Wathen Family Farm as well. In addition to all the tractors on display at the farm day, there will be a variety of classic cars and trucks on display where you can take a look at all these really interesting automobiles, and you'll be able to get to hear a few of them run. There are several family fun events involving tractors as well, including a garden tractor barrel ride, hay rides, and the opportunity to drive some of these big tractors around the farm. In addition to the high horsepower articulated four-wheel drive tractors that will be on display at the farm day, there will be a variety of classic row crop models as well, featuring International Harvester and Minneapolis Moline tractors, from steel wheels, Prairie Gold paint, Energy Yellow, and of course that famous International Harvester Red. I hope that you will be able to attend the 2018 Wathen Family Farm Day. It'll be an exciting event with lots of great machinery to see, rare machines, as well as family fun activities. Big Tractor Power will be there filming, and I hope to get to meet you. I'll be wearing a Big Tractor Power Film Crew shirt, so if you see me out walking around, I hope that you'll stop and say hello. It would be great to meet you at the farm day. Again, the Wathen Family Farm Day is free for all Big Tractor Power YouTube viewers to attend. The event will take place on Sunday, August 12th, starting at noon, and it will run throughout the day. The Wathen Farm is located at 3101 South Green River Road in Evansville, Indiana. It's right at the Interstate 69 exit of Green River Road. You can't miss the farm. There's a whole bunch of tractors visible right from the interstate. Big Tractor Power will have a complete video on the show that you'll be able to watch on our YouTube channel. And if you would like to see the Wathen's tractors working out in the field or other big farm machines, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you're already a subscriber, thank you, and make sure to check the channel's homepage often, as Big Tractor Power uploads new videos every 2 to 3 days. Thank you for watching.